Hey everybody, I am back once again to help you out with a new tutorial video about how to sign up in Ally Bank. If you are watching us for the first time, make sure to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for new informative videos. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, Google search Ally Bank. After that, click on the first link appeared on your screen. You'll see various options like checking and savings, credit cards, investing and retirement, etc., from which you can click on any. That will provide you with open account option. You have to click on that. Next, you'll see types of CD, savings and many more. As per your will and investment, you can choose any of them and open an account. To create account, you have to click on I am not an existing customer option and continue. There are 5 different steps to create an account, which includes your information, submit application, deposit money and email. You have to fill up all the required information correctly to create your account. One of the major requirements to use Ally Bank is that either you have to be US citizen or you have to reside in the US. After following the 5 steps and putting all your information correctly, your Ally Bank account will be signed up. So yeah, this was it. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to give us a big thumbs up if you find this video helpful. See you in next video. Bye bye.